The Galaxy Note series of phones have always been the best of what Samsung has to offer, and the Galaxy Note 10 is without any doubt one of the best premium Android smartphones. But the best doesn't come cheap, right? You have to spend at least around Rs 70,000 for it. This is where the brand new Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes in the picture. The Note 10 Lite aims to offer a flagship experience at a relatively affordable price point. The Lite version offers the same Galaxy S Pen stylus and a flagship-grade camera. As far as the processor is concerned, the Note 10 Lite is powered by the same processor that we have seen in the Galaxy Note 9 that was launched way back in 2018. The Note 10 Lite comes in a new design at an attractive price of Rs 38,999. This surely makes it a mighty competitor in the affordable flagship segment of under Rs 40,000. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite smartphone comes in two storage variants. The 6GB RAM model comes at Rs 38,999, while the 8GB RAM model comes at Rs 40,999. Interestingly, buyers can get the Galaxy Note 10 Lite at an effective price of Rs 33,999 as part of an upgrade offer. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. It has FHD resolution and a punch-hole notch on the screen that houses a 32-megapixel camera. At the back, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite houses a triple-lens camera system with three 12-megapixel sensors. These three caters to the wide, ultra-wide and telephoto settings. The Note 10 Lite includes a super steady and live focus mode as well. Talking about the processor, the Note 10 Lite is powered by an Exynos 9810 octa-core processor paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Both the variants offer 128GB of internal storage and supports microSD cards of up to 1TB. Backed by a 4500 mAh battery with faster support, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with a regular S Pen stylus. The Lite version doesn't support DeX mode but thankfully offers most of the stylus features seen in the high-end Note 10. Not to forget, Samsung has already launched a Lite variant of the S10 as well at a price of Rs 39,999. The S10 Lite is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. Now both the phones are quite capable, but it is up to you to decide whether you want the S Pen stylus or you want a Snapdragon 855 processor in your phone.